Hi guys, this is Candace. I just wanted to come on really quickly and share my May 2020 Abby box with you guys. I absolutely love my Abby box subscription and the things that we get in those boxes. So let's take a see. Let's take a see. No, let's take a look and see what's inside for the May box. Okay, so as you can see, this is an exclusive partnership with Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. A portion of all proceeds go to the sorority, and when you open up your box, right here it has some social media information, and they tell you how to set up when you're showing the box, show your paraphernalia, and where to share it. Okay, so and I love how they package. If anybody knows me and if you ever received a package from me, I love pretty packaging. It's just something about it. I don't know, but I just love how things get packaged. So I really don't want to mess this up. Since it just comes right on out. All right, let me see this first. Okay. So the theme this month is celebrating women God sent gifts. Let's see. So what's in a box? You're going to get an AKA quilted jacket, a pink and green crystal hair clips, and a pink tea rose necklace set. Okay, so this says May is a month of celebration. We acknowledge the accomplishments of graduates. We rejoice in the freshness of spring, and we honor the love of our mothers. But why not celebrate all women this year, those who are mothers and those who are not? With endless strength and love, every woman has helped someone move through their journey, and they all deserve to be honored. And then it has some more stuff there. And then you got a Mother's Day card. Okay. And then if you needed to return something, you can use that. So let's take a look. Now this is a little warm for this. It's a little hot, but this will come in handy in the fall and winter. This is really a really cute jacket. And then here, there is our crest, our emblem, and then you can just take that off. Really, really pretty. Then it has some green and white down at the bottom for the trimming. And then it has it also on the collar. This is really cute. I will try this on, but I may faint because this feels heavy. Okay. And then let's see. So happy Mother's Day, Ivy box. Oh, okay. So this is the tea rose necklace. Is it two? Okay, so yeah, so it's two necklaces, and you can give yourself the layered look. That is pretty. God sent you to me as a special gift from above to teach me life's lessons and shower me with your love. Happy Mother's Day. This is gorgeous. And then it even has like the little Ivy box emblem right there. Okay. And then here is the I Feel Pretty, Oh So Pretty hair clips. This is really cute, really heavy. Okay. So that is the May, I'm about to say June, the May Ivy box. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Alrighty guys, bye-bye.